Hi friends, welcome to StarX Academy. In this video, we are going to see about human physiology chapters, particularly circulatory system. Okay, a very great topic. Without circulatory system, none of the organs functions properly. Okay, to make a phrase, the first organ to pump in your mother's womb is heart. Fine. The same way, the last organ to work in you is also heart. Okay, is continuously pumping for a long time, right? Take a calculation, no? Make a small calculation, right? See, you are going to live for 65 years, hope so. For every minute, your heart beats approximately 72 times. Come on, make a rough calculation, and you get the score. Yeah, more than million times it will come, right? Heart is pumping billion and billions of times, right? Coming back, circulatory system, we will be studying about majorly blood. Okay, that is the connective fluid. Apart from that, we will be studying about the vessels, right? Let me start with blood. Blood, it's a very philosophically and biologically important fluid. Okay, as if a national highways serves to transport the materials from one part of the country to the other part of the country, blood also does the same work, conducts lot of things from one part to another part. For example, when you are breathing, okay, you are taking in oxygen along with other gases. So this blood takes this oxygen and supplies to every part of the body. Similarly, look at this picture, how beautifully blood is circulating oxygen all over the parts of the body. Again, it will withdraw carbon dioxide and brings back to lungs and send it out. Similarly, in your digestive tract, look at this intestinal villi, right? In the digestive tract. Here, the blood is collecting food materials from the intestine and supplies to every part of the cells. So that's what happened here. So without blood is nothing. For example, a product, a Kanjipuram, a place in Tamil Nadu, is having famous for silk. Those silk want to be exported should be utilized by a person in Jammu Kashmir. How it transports? Only through national highways. Similarly, blood is transporting the same thing. Fine. Now let us learn about the components of blood. Blood are majorly divided into two major components. The first component, 55%, is plasma, blood plasma. The remaining 45% is made up of blood cells. What do you mean blood plasma? So if you follow this flow chart, it will be helpful for you. Blood plasma consists of lot of proteins, which I have listed three major proteins. Okay, how a blood plasma will look like? Blood plasma majorly looks like a straw color fluid, a pale yellow color fluid. Okay, and they have three major proteins. One is albumin, the second one is globulin, the third one is fibrinogen. As the name suggests, albumin is a protein of osmoregulation. What do you mean by osmoregulation? You might have studied about osmosis, right? Okay, movement from higher concentration to lower concentration based on the solutes. So those concentration it will carry out. That is called osmotic balance. The second thing, globulin. So the word globulin will help you to think over an immunological substances called immunoglobulin. Okay, here I want to ask you a very basic question. Why mom feeds the young one? As soon we born, why mom feeds the young one with breast milk? You may say the answer like nutrition, but more than nutrition, it's a source of high immunological components called immunoglobulin. Okay, so if you see about cattle, mostly you might have forgotten your mom's milk because we are very kids that time, but you might have come across drinking cow's milk, right? If a cow gives birth to an young one, immediately they will take milk. In Tamil colloquially we call it seambal. Okay, in that you might have observed some yellow color substance. Okay, these yellow color substances are none other than called colostrum, a kind of yellow pigment which consists of immunoglobulin A, IgA. Apart from immunoglobulin A, there are several immunoglobulins are there, IgE, IgM. You kindly go through in our immunology lectures, right? Whatever might be, this globulin refers to immunity, immunoglobulins. The third one, look at this picture in a flow chart, fibrinogen or fibrinogen. This will helpful for clotting, right? Blood clotting, along with the help of thrombocytes, right? So I come again, my dear friends. We have said about plasma. Okay, plasma is divided into three major proteins. Apart from that, lot of proteins are there, but we are focusing only on the major three. That is albumin, globulin, and fibrinogen. Now let us move on to the second part of the flow chart. Okay, so blood cells. So what type of blood cells are there? There are 3 blood cells are there. Classically, RBC, WBC and thrombocytes. Okay, what do you mean by RBC? We all know, let us expand. Red blood corpuscles are red blood cells, to put it simple. Similarly, white blood corpuscles are white blood cells. The third one is platelets or thrombocytes, right? The very word will help you. Erythrocytes. Split the word. Erythro refers to red color pigment. Cytes refers to cell. Similarly, leuco. When we are studying about cell biology class, we might have said about leucoplast, right? The very word leuco refers to white color or indirectly colorless, whatever might be, right? Thrombo, the word refers to plate. That's why they are called platelets. Finally, these are the names, okay? RBC are erythrocytes, WBC are leukocytes, thrombocytes, platelets are thrombocytes, right? Now let us discuss one by one in the further videos.